Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change spacing for your text in Wix editor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to click on your text, edit text, and then you're gonna see like character line spacing, and you can simply change the simple line spacing right here, or do it like this and change spacing here. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So you can change it also to automatic line spacing if you want to, or you can do it by yourself. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.